bad. I feel like I'm going to end up sliding down this. Good day. Future problems.
That was the thing I was terrified about the lions. One thing to go up.
Coming back down.
Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are embarking on an exciting adventure to summit Golden Ears Peak. Nestled in the stunning Golden Ears Provincial Park in the lower mainland BC, this hike is a true gem. The trail is 23 km out and back with a challenging 1700 meter elevation gain to the summit. While the views are breathtaking, this is not a hike for beginners. The path is steep and difficult, with some sections requiring a bit of scrambling. If you are planning to tackle this hike in a single day, make sure to start early and be prepared for a long day. So let's get started. I will take you through the hike step by step so you know exactly what to expect. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. We kicked off our adventure from West Canyon parking lot at about 7:20 am. The initial 4 km of hike are relatively flat and straightforward, featuring a wide gravel trail. Along the way, you will cross a few bridges and pass by Golden Creek viewpoint before reaching the trail intersection from East Canyon.
5 kilometers in this 1 hour 10 minutes. This is one of the intersections you will find, and Golden Ears Peak is 7.3 kilometers from here. So make sure you follow the upper route.
From this point, the trail begins a steady incline for next 2 km until you reach Alder Flat. You will continue trekking uphill with a creek flowing to your left. The path is easy to follow and all the junctions are well marked. Along the way, you will cross numerous streams, too many to count, but most have small bridges. This is a good spot to refill your water supply, as there won't be any water sources until you reach Panorama Campsite. After Alder Flat, the trail jigs to the right onto an old logging road and begin to ascend. Soon you will find yourself back on a narrow, root-filled and rocky path. Eventually you will reach a spot with a sign directing you left toward Golden Ears. As you ascend the rocky path, you will start to enjoy westward views. To your left, you will be treated to a stunning sight of Alder Mountain, Blanchard Peak, Edge Peak, and Golden Ears. After about a kilometer from Alder Flat, you will need to make a 90-degree turn to your right where you will spot a wooden staircase. From this point onward, the path becomes steep and very challenging. Need to scramble and do some rock climbing. These part of trail are quite challenging and can be tricky to navigate. After a challenging ascent, we finally reach the ridge where elevation level out, and here you are greeted by a stunning 360-degree view with Pitt Lake stretching out on one side.
Finally, I can see some campsites.
After about 4 hours 40 minutes, we finally arrived at Panorama Campsite and were lucky enough to snag the last available tent pad. We set up our tent and took a well-deserved rest. Nearby, you will also notice a glacier-fed stream flowing close to emergency shelter from where you can refill your water supply. With the long weekend, the area became quite busy and crowded, as you can see. However, by 5:30 p.m., it was time to begin the summit push, joined by some friends I made at campsite.
I do not.
To hike from Panorama Ridge to the summit, it takes about 45 to 1 hour each way. This part of trail is not well marked and involve more scrambling along with some bushwhacking and rope assisted section.
I hear that sound, I'm like,
suddenly feel like I'm carrying way too much grass. Oh, I don't mind this time of driving. Alright, I'll be drank on the way down.
Make sure you want to drink a bit what? Top?
Oh yeah. Best place to drink it, man. Feel like you've earned it. If I start getting drunk, I'll share some.
Stay behind.
Yeah, this is exactly like going up Harvey. This is going to be fun in the dark. Did you hike up all the way with that?
Yeah, I rolled my ankle like the first hour.
Oh, shit.
So,
Upon reaching the summit, the view was nothing short of unreal. Surrounded by a panoramic array of mountain, we could even spot Mount Baker in distance.
And even being in the air.
I took some time to rest and soak in the breathtaking sunset before making our way back down to the campsite.
I just done a crash landing. I done my friend like learned it here, he got his license there, and then when he came here, his license, they don't accept the Colombian license here.
I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming adventures video.